So, David, I'm sure talks to you all about when we make stock. Today we're making two kinds of base broths. One is chicken and one is beef. But if you'll notice, I'm going to throw all my scraps and things into I have a little scrap bucket. You probably see Rachel Ray do this too. She's good at that. All of your onion ends, the skins, the bottoms of the celery, I'm going to throw all of that in there for my stock that I made for my enchilada sauce. Over here, we'll talk about that later. Don't get excited. But, because you don't want to waste anything, you know, and like whatever you have in the refrigerator, you know, maybe you made pot roast last night, maybe you made a pork roast, maybe you're lucky enough to have a husband that hunts and he brings home various kinds of dead animals. All of those can be made. Dot, don't you start, I already told you. You're going to get it. She's going to get it. I'm going to throw that chicken in there.